Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Things are looking better today. So we are up $6.27, 3.1%, closed at 208.31. Post-market, we are down by 14 cents only. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart, on the chart. And I'm going to post at the end of this video, I'm going to post a funny video that talks about how it is hard for us, French Canadian, Québécois, to speak English and pronounce the TH sound. So there is a very funny movie, and I'm going to post it at the end of this video. I hope you like it. We are still in our congestion zone, 187.41, 214.30. A couple of days ago, we touched 214.30 and tried to break it yesterday. And we can talk a lot about why we did not close above it, but we just came down. But today we are bouncing pretty nicely. We are bouncing on 198.12. So our 198.12, which I dismissed a little bit this week because it's a horizontal resistance or support within our most important congestion zone, most important trend lines, 187 and 214. But it's just funny that we are still stumbling onto that. So nice green candle today. A little bit of a wick at the bottom, no wick at the top. This was a push up until the end of the day. So let's go right away. Take a look at the 1 hour chart to see this. We opened a little bit lower, tried to go as high as the high of the last candle, could not maintain it and came back down. Second hour, we started at the same point, tried again, but finished down. And now we were coming down to 198.12. So we did not close below 98.12. And look at the last 5 candles, all green, boom. A little bit harder on that 231, but very nice to see. We see the impulse behind Tesla. Stochastic is very close to 60. We had lost Stochastic pretty badly here. It was at 3. Listen to this. It was at 3. This is incredible. And now, boom, we are at 53. Let's hope that we get some move up also next week. RSI is above 50. MACD, we have one MACD line that's below 0 at 0.40. I think we could be managing to have both lines above 0. This is a thumbs up in itself when it happens. And the MI, it's coming back a little bit, but it's going to take it a little bit more convincing. So maybe next week is going to give us that convincing. If we stay on that 1 hour chart, remember we have 2 lanes of bullish channel. We have this first lane, we have the second lane, and we are trending pretty well on that second lane support. Yes, it's not too close to it, but it's fine. It's fine if we are hovering just above that support line. This is the velocity of our stock. This is the velocity of Tesla since January 26th. It started to go a little bit faster at some point, and then it cooled down a little bit, but the overall average move up is still pretty much right smack on that second lane. We could have easily expected that Tesla would have been rebounding on 186, but no, it's rebounding a little bit higher. This is showing force in that stock. Let's go back on the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 89, super strong stochastic. This is giving me confidence that the stock is maintaining itself very well with this great stochastic. MACD is still bullish. We just came out a little bit outside of the overbought zone. That's fine. But we still have a good RSI at 66. And the MI is also very good. So great day for Tesla to end the week. Let's take a look at the VIX a little bit. VIX is bugging me a little bit. It tries to go higher. It tried to go above 2071, but then was squished down. I like that it was squished down, but we definitely see that it wants to go higher. Let's hope that it does not break that 20 and stays there for some time so that we have the chance to have our stock go a little bit higher. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones pretty much still on the congestion zone. A longer wick at the bottom here, but then it recovered quite well a little bit yesterday, but gained it back today. S&P 500, the same thing. A long wick here, but then a nice recovery. Still have stochastic, but barely. Nasdaq is continuing down right here with this downward channel, and we just came outside of this big bullish channel. We were still into it when we started this move down yesterday, but now we are just outside of it. So this support right here is now a resistance. But we have this nice move up a little bit. So let's hope that we can recover a little bit here. We have some support here at 11,565. So maybe we are going to have to go down to that point. So I'm going to make it a little bit easier to see. It seems like the Tesla recall became a non-story. This is great because it really was a non-story. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. So becoming a YouTube member, you have different services. We have a weekly live on Sunday that you can attend. You can get a link to my charts and with all of the trend lines and everything. So you can get access to that and copy my trend lines onto your TradingView account. So that's also a service. There's a special request stock analysis. So every weekend you get to pick a stock and I analyze it for you. So I do a video that combines all of the stock special requests that everybody has asked me, and I put them in one big video. So for the price of one special request, you get everybody's special request. I still have to tell you that not a lot of people have subscribed to that. As more and more people are going to join, then the more and more value you are going to get. And also we have a one-on-one session. So if you want to learn technical analysis and have a lot of questions, I see a lot of things on this channel, but if you want to ramp up really fast and maybe look at some strategies that you could be employing, then you can sign up also for a one-on-one. You can do that for only 1 month. And I think it provides a lot of value. It's not cheap, but if you want to learn fast, and let's face it, we can lose $500 or even $1,000 on the stock market in a minute. So my prices are pretty cheap. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Monday unless you are a member at the specific tier, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday. So have a great weekend and don't forget to watch the clip from my funny video.
Tellement, tot, LTT, thief, threw the bathtub into the boot.
Which lesson is this we're having? First, second, or third?
The third.
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 Repeat after me again.
Okay.
Thelma thought a healthy thief threw the bathtub into the booth.
Thelma thought. A healthy thief.
A healthy thief.
Thief. Through the bathtub.
Tub. Okay, tub.
Okay, tub.
Into the booth. Bathtub into the booth.
The booth. The path. Into the booth. The booth.